Some of the areas of analytics are customer analytics, industry-focused analytics, financial analytics, performance analytics, and risk analytics. Customer analytics is a process that helps an organization take critical decisions and deliver offers that are anticipated. This analytics offers the organization customer insights necessary to take decisions. Customer analytics uses techniques such as market segmentation, predictive analytics, data modeling, and visualization. It plays a pivotal role in the prediction of customer behavior. For example, customer acquisition and customer retention. All the telecom companies these days use different marketing methods to retain their customers. Financial analytics. This type of analytics is a new way to drive competitive advantage. It helps financial executives explore different ways to answer specific financial-related business questions and forecast future financial situations. In today's dynamic business environment, financial analytics helps the finance function to bring greater value to the organization. Financial analytics helps companies make multiple views of their data and derive insights that will help them take the necessary actions. For example, consolidation of financial statements. Financial statements are reports prepared with the sole purpose of maintaining business accounts in a timely manner. These statements showcase the financial position of the company to the market stakeholders, shareholders, government, and general public. These statements give a clear and detailed overview of the company's financial position to investors and creditors as well. Performance analytics is the practice of using data and technology to study how our business is performing to continuously make it better, like managing daily operations, planning strategies, and budgeting for business, meeting service level agreements, and pinpointing areas of improvement. For example, here in resource management, the performance of the employees is monitored on a regular basis, keeping in mind the parameters dependent on the type of organization and expectations. Performance analytics gives companies enough time to take corrective actions for improving the performance of the employees in time, if required, thus improving the productivity and output of the company. Risk analytics. In today's dynamic business environment, where things change at a rapid pace, the rate of risk is very high. The insecurities caused by these risks affect the success of the business.